Pain doesn't break you, it builds you. Tagalog Real Talk on Growth and Strength. May mga araw na parang sunod-sunod ang pagsubok. Mapapaisip ka, bakit parang ako lagi ang sinusubok? Pero ito ang katotohanan na bihira mong marinig. Challenges build your character. Pain doesn't hurt you, it builds you. Welcome to the Change for the Better. Ito ang channel na magpapaalala sa'yo ng tunay na success sa buhay. This video isn't about false hope. It's about real power. Your power. Let's talk about why your pain might just be the making of you. Part 1. Pain is your greatest teacher. Hindi lahat ng natututunan mo ay galing sa libro. Minsan, ang pinaka-importanting lesson sa buhay ay sariling experience. Yung taong nanloko sa'yo, tinuruan kang piliin mo ang sarili mo. Yung trabaho na hindi ka pinahalagahan, tinulak ka sa bagong oportunidad. Yung mga no na paulit-ulit mong narinig, nagpalalim ng yes mo sa sarili mo. Pain is not the end. It's the start of deeper wisdom. Part 2, you grow through what you go through. Ang kalakasan, hindi nabubuo sa comfort zone. Hindi sa madali, hindi sa mabilis, hindi sa ligtas. Strength is built in struggle. Sa puyat habang pinagsasabay ang trabaho at pangarap. Sa luha, habang patuloy kang lumalaban para sa pamilya. Sa tahimik na gabi na, ang tanging meron ka lang ay pananampalataya. Hindi ka nasisira, hinuhubog ka. At bawat hirap, bawat rejection, bawat heartbreak, may tinuturo yan sa'yo. And when you learn from pain, you become unstoppable. Part 3. Pressure makes diamonds. Kilala mo ba kung paano ginagawa ang brilyante? Daan-daang taon sa ilalim ng pressure. Mainit, mabigat, masikip, mahirap. Pero pagkatapos ng lahat ng iyon, ay nagiging priceless. Ganun ka rin. Hindi ka fragile, hindi ka marupok, hindi ka biktima. You're becoming rare, valuable, sharp, strong. Kaya wag mong maliitin ang sakit na pinagdadaanan mo. Because that pressure is proof that you're being prepared for something greater. Part 4. Shift from survival to growth. Ang mindset mo, dapat hindi lang basta malampasan ang problema. Dapat, anong pwedeng mabuo at matutunan mula rito? Pain plus reflection equals growth. Pain plus reaction equals destruction. You have a choice. Do you want your pain to define you or to refine you? You can either carry the weight of it or you can use it to build muscle, faith, and mental strength. The challenge is not meant to break you. It's meant to reveal how much you can rise. Part 5. Tagumpay pagkatapos ng pagdurusa. Marami sa mga pinakamatatag na tao ngayon, hindi dahil hindi sila nasaktan, kundi dahil nakayanan nila ang sakit. Lahat ng pangarap mo ay dadaan sa pain. Pero ang tanong, susuko ka ba o matututo ka mula rito? Remember, pain grows you. Challenges shape you. Setbacks redirect you. You are not weak because you're hurting. You're powerful because you still believe, still move, still rise. Pain isn't always punishment. Minsan, yan ang proseso ng paghuhubog. Minsan, ang sakit ay pambungad lang ng bagong simula. So the next time you're hurting, pause, breathe, and say this. This is building me. I'm not broken. I'm becoming. Like this video if you're choosing to rise through the pain. Comment. Lalaban pa rin. And don't forget to subscribe because you deserve strength and we're in this together.